My good people of Biafra, this is continuation of our video. You guys are seeing how good road. This is good road. This is continuation of our video about infrastructure. Why the reason why Mazenande Kalo is where it is today. You see all road. You see where everywhere. This is park. Now the journey is we are going to take the metro. This is what Mazenande Kalo is talking about. This is what our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa and Joko is talking about. Infrastructures. That people will have easy transport, you have easy life. What we are asking for is just to have easy life, minimal life. Now, this is what we call metro, like underground subway, you know. Now we are going to take the subway to have easy transport. You make life, you know, easy for the people, not to make life miserable for them. That is why I'm making all these things to clarify people. Now we are going inside the metro here now. Now we are going to take the metro, you know, for you to see how easy and so fast and easy how life is here. So if you have this kind of life in Biafra land, you have this kind of life in Igbo land, tell me the reason why things will be the way they are. Just tell me. This is the what we call metro. Now I'm going to take metro, okay? I'm going to take metro. So wait, hold on. You see here, you have security. They are all there. I'm sorry, I'm coming. I'm trying to bring out my card. You have security. You have security. You know. So now I'm inside, okay? Now, when you come here now, you check which direction of metro. This is the timetable. This is the time where you can take metro. You now check the time where your metro is going. This one is your direction. Depends on the direction where you are going. You now say, okay, I'm going this direction. You now take here. Okay, we are now inside ground. We are no more up is where the cars is normal road. So white people occupy both the land up and under the ground. That is why our leader Mazenande Kano told you that Biafra land will be built, that it will take us 70 years to build Biafra land because of this kind of infrastructures is what he's talking about. This kind of structures you are seeing here. This is underground metro, underground subway. We are inside ground now, you know. So you occupy the air, you occupy the sea, you make use of all the space you have. When are people saying that, oh, where is this? You don't have no this, you don't have no, you know, space. No, you have to occupy both the land, you have to occupy all the space to make easy transport, to make things easy for the people. You make easy transport. You see how the whole thing goes like tunnel. So this kind of thing, when you have it, you see people, you have easy transport. Like here now, this is the other side. Like now, you can see the metro is coming from there. Did you see that? The metro is coming. People are coming back from work, you know. Not you will come to Lagos, you'll be hearing, oh, okay, no, all those kind of bullshit. That is not life. These people, with all those things, they are making life more miserable for our people. You know, why doesn't you make life easy and stop doing things difficult for our people? Look at all these things here now. This is easy transport. Okay, this metro now is the one I'm going to take. You see my metro is coming there, so I'm going to take it now. You understand? When you have structures like this, you have bus, you have metro, you have underground subways. You see how everything is coming? Look at people here. This is underground subway. Under how many minutes now I will be where I'm going? Okay? So I say God bless you, and we will see the continuous of this video. Like now, this is because I don't want the video to be so more. This is inside the metro now. You can see that everybody is sitting. You know, you see that. You see all inside the metro. So now, when you come inside here, now you check now. Oh, which stop are you going here? Here now you have all the stops where you are going. You have all the stops. So when you check, the red one is showing you where the direction where it's going. When anyone is past, it show you red, but the other ones are not red. You know, you see everybody here. It's not like you'll be loading, saying, conductor, asking conductor, how many people remain and how many. You make life to be easier for the people so that the people will enjoy the good life. You see the inside of the metro. You see the inside, everybody, people coming back from work in an order. You know, you come back, you have easy transport to go down to your home and you relax. You know, you create job for them, you create structures, easy transport, so that things will be more easier for the people. You don't need to make things difficult for the citizen, for the people that you claim that you are governing. You know, that is why I'm making all this for this year, free governors and all the rest of them. People who call themselves president, they are come here in abroad and see all these good things, all these good structures. They don't want to bring it home. You know, they are there taking your tax money, taking your oil money, taking your gas money, and they run away. And you keep quiet on all these things. That is why I'm making this video. I say, may God bless you anywhere you are receiving this video. Make sure that you like all our videos and thumbs up your notification button. Anytime we drop another video, so that you will be number one to be getting a notification button. Make sure that you drop your comment. So drop your comment on your comment station, and you like the video and you subscribe to our channel. You know, we have all our platforms. Subscribe to all our platforms. It doesn't take anything. Only go there and press the button subscription. You subscribe, you drop your comment. You know, it's to help our page to be growing more. You know, so that is why I will be giving you people more details of video, the reason why we have to fight for our freedom, the reason why we have to be free as a people. That is why I'm doing all this. Thank you, and God bless you, and remain blessed. From me, from here is good evening.